Actually, I wanna improve my communication skill, but I can't learn English because of which I don't have any partner and any environment. Due to some reason, we can't speak English. But I wanna improve my communication skill, but I don't know how to improve our communication skill. Actually, all the learner have a question. All the people who want to learn English, every learner have a question: how to be fluent in English. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you some things how to improve our communication skill, how to be fluent in English. Actually, all the learner have a question: how to be perfect in English, how to be fluent in English. But before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. If you are interested, if you are cup of tea, so please watch my fully video till the end. Actually, this video will be helpful for you, so that's why I am telling to you, watch my fully video till the end. So without wasting the time, let's come back to point. As I am saying that how to be fluent in English, I have two things, only two things which I used. Okay, so that's why I am telling to you, you should use only two things. Okay, first one speaking. Okay, speaking, and second one listening. Speaking and listening and speaking is very good for listening, for improving our communication skill, and that is very helpful for you. Okay, and those things are very important for your improving English. Actually, now it's question rise: how to speak, how to learn English without partner. I don't have any partner, so first of all I would like to tell you, you don't have any partner, it's okay, don't worry. You are only your own friend, own partner. Okay, you can create any fake story and then you can speak with yourself. Actually, all the times when I am free at my home, so that times I create any fake story and then I speak with myself, even I don't have any environment. Actually, all the learner make the excuses because I don't have any environment. Actually, this is your aim. You want to be fluent in English, so why are you thinking something like this? I don't have any environment. Actually, Actually, I have lots of example who learned English very well without partner and without environment. You can learn English, okay, without partner and without environment. Actually, when you are alone at your home, so that time you can create any fake story and then you can speak with yourself. I have rapid fire. Okay, I have rapid fire, and you can also rapid fire for improving English. That's how your flow, your fluency will be increased. Okay, so you can use these tips for improving English. And next one, you can use listening. Okay, listening power is very good. Without listening you can't speak English. First of all, I would like to tell you, if you are a good listener, definitely you will be good speaker. So please, listening power is very good. And you can watch any English video, any podcast, anything, okay, related to listening in English, you can watch. Okay, and and after that you have listened, and after that you can apply those things so which listened. So I think this way is very superb, and definitely you can apply and go ahead for improving English. And stop this thing because I can't learn English, I don't have any environment. This is a your excuse who are making continuously, and I have lots of excuses who are making every day. When you want to improve, when you don't want to improve your communication skill, so that time you can create any excuses, like saying as I am too embarrassed while speaking English with other person. Actually, I am not perfect, I don't have more much vocabulary. I am not telling to you and speak advanced English. I am not telling you have to speak advanced vocabulary. In the beginning, you can start small English sentence and simple English, only simple English. So definitely your English will be increased, and then you would feel something like this, I am being the perfect. So that time you can apply advanced English, you can apply advanced English, okay. But you should learn only simple English and simple sentence. But please avoid the English words as a single word, okay. You should learn phrases and collocations, okay. This is a very important, and these things will be helpful for you for improving your communication skill, and your communications will be improved and fluent. So please learn the phrases and collocations and try to speak English, speak as much as you can, okay. Start speaking English as much as possible, so definitely your speaking will be increased, and you will be on the top, okay. So please try to speak English and avoid these things. I am not speaking English, I can't speak English and I can't do anything. Please stop it and try and go ahead and take the step for improving English. I believe you definitely will be improved. Actually, I am using this way, so that's why I am telling to you, because I am using all things for improving our communication skill, and I feel something like this, I am being the perfect, and definitely in the future I will be fluent in English, okay. So you can apply this thing, and next one you will have time, so then you can write and you can read, okay. Write any English words, and after that you can use in your English language, okay. When you start speaking English with other person, so you can apply that sentence who written, okay, who written in the your diary. So definitely you will be improved, and you should read, okay. You should read the book daily, one page, okay. So you should apply this thing, definitely you will be improved, I believe, because I am being the perfect, so that's why I am telling to you. So in the end, once again I am saying, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me, so please do the comment and do the like. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.